So in front of me we have the Milwaukee Fuel M18 brushless cordless framing nailer, and this is sitting upon some wood that's more crooked than the Biden's financial history. So let's get at it. There is a quirk about this that I do not like. I am probably about 4, maybe 5 nails away from this thing not firing. So every time I get down to a certain amount of nails, I have to then load a whole nother row of nails into it, and then it'll start working. I don't like that. I personally would rather get down to where it empties out and just reload it. The other thing is it's diminished capacity to load. You can only get 1 row in. So a lot of people have complained about this. You have to buy a part, I believe it's over $100, to extend the slide capacity out, and then you can hit 2 rows, which makes your work load or your work efficiency much better. So your depth control is up here. I actually think they did a great job on that. I haven't had a problem with it walking on me, which is great. Your selection of how much you're firing is right here, single mode or multiple. It does just what it says. It fires quite a bit. It is not loud. It is quite heavy. I'm going to be honest. I believe this thing is over 11 pounds. So if you're someone who struggles with lifting things, you're either going to struggle or you're going to get stronger. I would pick the latter because, hey, strong and skilled is not so common these days. But we can get it there, right? That's why we're here. This is a 21-degree model. This is not anything else. This accepts 2 to 3 inches of nail, or fastener size, should I say. And it is quite a beast in my opinion. I have only done a couple of gate projects, and I did some garage door framing with it, and it did fantastic. I have not had a hiccup with it so far, except for this doodad right here.